In this video, we will tell you the 7 steps to become rich quickly. You may have heard that to get rich you must be patient with all the random tips. But I would say that becoming rich is a step-by-step process. Watch this video till the end to know all the steps to get rich, or you may miss some crucial ones. Now let's start. 1. Keep tabs on your money. The first and the most basic step is to monitor your outgoing cash flow. This includes things like meals, leisure, school loans, bills, and more. Carefully keep tabs on all of your expenditure. While not exactly thrilling, this is essential and actually becomes more so as your earnings and investment returns increase. Accountability and an optimization mentality are more crucial than budgeting when it comes to knowing where your money is going. Your expenditures may be better understood in this way. Fortunately, you can keep tabs on your expenditures with the aid of free applications and financial tools. Some great tools that help automate your spending monitoring are Personal Capital, which is popular among FIRE members, and Mint.com. These resources can streamline your financial life while keeping an eye on your credit score. 2. Make use of multiple sources of income. If you can diversify your income, you can reach financial independence more quickly. In the event that your main source of income is interrupted, it also serves as a safety net. Now that we live in the modern day, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle, launch a company, or cultivate passive income sources. You should really read the books of Sir Robert Kiyosaki if you haven't already. His books like The Rich Dad, Poor Dad have made many people think like millionaires and earn more income. Make your journey towards wealth more simpler by trying out more and more passive income side hustles. The best part is that you won't need to quit your primary job while doing these. Some best side hustles include dog walking, investing, selling old stuff, renting out space, etc. If you want to know the best earning tricks, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Set up automatic savings. Paying yourself first is a crucial step toward financial independence. I found the idea fascinating when I read about it in The Intelligent Investor. To avoid being late with any payments, the author said he would put away as much money as possible before invoices were due. At first, I saved a little amount, roughly 10% of each income. I would put half into my retirement account with Vanguard and the other half into my savings cushion in case of an unexpected need. Then I continued adding to it and spreading the funds around. As soon as a raise or the proceeds from a side business were in my bank account, I would proceed in the same manner. 2 objectives are achieved when you pay yourself first. The first thing it does is put an emphasis on investment, which is how you build up your nest egg for retirement. Second, after taking money out of savings, you have less money in your account, so you spend less overall. You should tailor the amount you save to your own conditions, since everyone's circumstances are unique. You will reach financial independence more quickly if you save and invest more money every month. Any savings is better than none at all, so there's no shame in beginning with a little amount. 4. Plan your investments. Consumers, not investors, make up the vast bulk of the global population. However, investment is crucial for accumulating money. Although there are other excellent investment methods, my personal favorites are Vanguard and index funds. As a general rule, when most of us receive a raise or some more cash, we tend to spend it on items that won't really increase our wealth. Affluent people buy new, flashy vehicles, yachts, clothing, and everything in between. Although spending money isn't inherently evil, you should exercise restraint and ask yourself, will this purchase add value to my financial freedom, before making any major purchases? Doubtful is the most probable response. Whenever I feel the urge to purchase something I don't really need, I usually ask myself this. Because of this, I was able to free up hundreds of dollars per month, which I can now invest in ways that will bring me much more money. 5. Consult a financial advisor or look for a mentor. To be financially successful, this may be the single most crucial piece of advice you can get. Seek for an experienced person to serve as a role model and observe their every move closely. Contact them and inquire as much as you can, even if you have doubts about their willingness to collaborate. The amount of wisdom and information that more seasoned individuals are ready to share with you could astound you. Look for experts online if you don't have somebody you can trust to guide you. Even if you don't want to contact them, reading their blogs and advice might help. But remember, you should never just take someone else's word for it. You should always supplement what you learn with your own research. Luckily, I've been blessed with 2 longtime friends who have been financially independent since they were in their mid-20s. I found myself drawn to them and picked their brains about other ways they generate money outside operating a company and investing. Opportunities for investment, real estate, and other means of financial gain continue to be topics of conversation. 6. Put money into your education. When I was a youngster, my favorite part of going to the library was picking out a new book to read. After entering high school and college, reading became less of a pleasure and more of a necessity. I seldom ever read anything, unless it was a school textbook or a blog. I continued to avoid reading, particularly books on money, even after I graduated. On the other hand, I learned early on that reading was crucial to raising my financial IQ. As far as returns on investment, ROI, go, I can think of nothing better than reading a book. Last year, I read 8 books on personal finance, and I'm certain that these concepts will bring me a ton of money in the long run. The next step in my quest to better my financial situation and increase my income is to read books on business and real estate. 7. Set it and forget it. The more I am able to save and invest, the quicker I will achieve financial independence. Therefore, I'm trying to be patient despite how hard it has been. After almost 3 years of this, many of you may be wondering why my Vanguard savings account balance is just $35,000 plus. I am thrilled with how far I have gone in only 3 years since I started from not just nothing, but I owe more than $50,000. Before I could start investing the money I made, I had to put in the time and effort to learn as much as possible and advance in my work so that I could earn a good living plus some extra cash. Patience and optimization are now the key words. The neat thing is that my account is just beginning to expand at an exponential curve, meaning that the pace of my investment returns are starting to increase, thanks to compound interest and my continued investment efforts. The following several years will be the most rewarding when I see the fruits of my labor. That's all for today. Now you are aware of all the steps that will truly make you rich. Do press the subscribe button if you want to know more amazing financial tips and guidelines. Many of my friends have used these steps and they are now very rich. I personally used these for just 6 months and I saw my wealth grow from $100 to $2 million. All these millionaires use these steps to get richer. You may also become a billionaire by following these steps. These steps are also suggested by famous millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, and many others. You will also have to invest your money properly to become rich. If you loved watching this financial video, just press the like button. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to get rich. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching the video till here.